to pay with Apple Pay on DoorDash. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with Apple Pay on DoorDash app. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that just download or install the DoorDash application in your smartphone. And once you are done installing the application in your smartphone, just open it. Once you are in the app, just set up your account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just scroll down, and under the money section you will see the option called manage payment method. So just tap on it, and here when you will scroll down you will see all these options. So in order to add Apple Pay as your default payment method in your DoorDash app, you just have to click on add credit or debit card, and here you have to mention the name of the card, which is your Apple Pay card. And after that just enter your Apple Pay card number and the expiration date, or just select the nickname of the card and just click on add and secure card. And this way you will be able to add your Apple Pay card in your DoorDash app as a default payment method option. And this way you will be able to pay with your Apple Pay on your DoorDash app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.